This is the second part for epoxide opening in basic condition. We're going to be looking specifically at the stereoselectivity. We've already seen in the previous video that if you put sodium hydroxide in methanol, you would get methoxide, sodium methoxide to be more specific. And we also saw that the addition of the methoxide will happen on the least substituted carbon to form irreversibly the product where the methoxide is on the least substituted carbon. Now what we need to look at is what's happening with the stereochemistry of the reaction. This carbon here sees no change in the addition, so all groups will remain at the same position. So that's what we have. On the other carbon, we have, and we referred to that term in the previous video, an SN2 type reaction that will proceed with inversion on the carbon here. So therefore, the O was at the back. Now the O will be at the front. And we have the methoxide going toward the back. The next step will be protonation with the solvent. Solvent in this case is methanol, so we're going to have protonation of the oxygen forming reversibly without any change of stereochemistry the final product. So a couple of things important to note here. First of all, this carbon here is referred to as having no change of configuration, no change of stereochemistry, so there's retention of configuration. Why retention? That's because there's no reaction, no change. Okay? The reaction is between this O and this C, so therefore nothing's happening on this carbon per se. On the other one though, right here, we have inversion of configuration. Why inversion? But the reaction is typical SN2 reaction with attack at the same time as the loss of the leaving group, and that's must happen with anti-attack or inversion of configuration. So that is what is observed. So you go from stereochemistry here staying the same here, also retention, and this is being inverted with now DO backward with inversion of configuration. Okay. So no reaction means no change. Retention of configuration. Reaction means inversion. That's for epoxide opening in basic condition.